In today's video, we are going to show you what a day in our life looks like. We both have full-time jobs, so the majority of the build is done on evenings and weekends. Here's what a typical day looks like for us. Now that Rhys has gone to work, I find the energy to get myself out of bed. My first job is to put the dehumidifier on to remove the condensation from our windows. Now that this is done, I make my way inside to start clearing up from the night before. Clearing up is done, so I put the kettle on to wash the dishes. I work from home 3 days a week, so it's time to make a hot chocolate and go back into the office to start the day. It's been so cold this week, there's even frozen this bucket that we left outside full of water. Inside the house, it's still only 1 degree, as we're not fully boarded up yet.
So after work, I've just got changed. One of my tasks for this evening is to secure all the upstands through the steel into the timber, which is inside the steel. I should have done it ages ago, but it's only tied into the joists at the moment, so that's what I'm going to do this evening.
Right, while Rhys is up doing whatever he's doing, I've just put some food in, but we're finding that the air fryer isn't working in this when it's this cold, so I've had to put the heater on, and I was blowing the heater at the air fry, and now I've got the air fryer to work. So there's a little tip: if your Ninja also doesn't work when it's really cold.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11, it's time for progression.
Another quick job that Rhys wanted to do was to install the last bird's mouth to the steel. He couldn't do this before because the boiler pipe was in the way, but since this we have had the boiler disconnected and it's no longer needed, so he could cut the pipe out of the way. Now to move on to the next task of the night. Here's the existing plan of what the bungalow looks like. In the corner of each bedroom you can see there is a slanted wall. There used to be a chimney in each room. The new plans for the bungalow is to turn the one bedroom into a bathroom and utility room. As you can see from the drawings, we are planning on having a bath in the corner of the room, which will mean that the chimney breast will need to come out. We've both got changed into dirtier clothes to start taking the wall down.
Right guys, so as you've probably seen in other clips, we had this corner in the other room, which is the bathroom. In this house, we've got pretty much a fireplace in every single room, which is, I believe, what they used to have back in the day. So that's the fireplace boarded up. It backs onto another 45-degree chimney, and they both went up through the roof, through the hip end and outside. So this is the chimney on the other side. As you can see, they've made a little slate lintel. They've put a little coping piece in the middle to support it, and that is the back of the other room, which you can see there, the 45 degrees, and that is the separation wall in the middle, and that used to be the flue, which you can see is all coated in soot.
Halfway through removing this chimney breast, Rhys decided to stop. This chimney is tied in more than Rhys expected it to be. Due to this, he wants to get a structural engineer's opinion on how best to tie into the external wall. By doing a little bit each night, it really helps with the build. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you are enjoying this content and if you'd like to see more from us. We'll be back on Sunday with another video.